And Governor Douye Diri of Bayelsa State don't come out now. They tell women, say, come on, women of Nigeria, oh yeah, you can say, see, no, they say, make they give you reserve seats. Make women come out actively. Enter for inside politics. No, they wait, make they carry and give them. Oga Diri made yarn this one for inside on Wednesday when they talk for the Women's Conference of the Pan-Niger Delta Forum, PANDEF, where they do for Yenagoa. He can't they argue, say, see, make women climb for politics, make them sit down politics chair through open democratic competition. But they know they find say that they share quota, give them before they go sit down government. All of this in talk they happen based on say that they consider that reserved seat for women bill for the National Assembly of Nigeria, where they go take temporarily increase the number of women where they inside politics by to create extra legislative seats. They go create extra office for our lawmaker them for only women, both for national and state level. If truly this bill become a law, it means now say there will be one extra seat for women in each and every senatorial district and federal constituency. And if that one go like that, now extra 182 women only seats now it go increase inside all our lawmaker joint bodies all over the country.